Thank you so much, Sanjay sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's call upon the very first speaker of today. So, tonight, the very first speaker who's coming on dais is Mr. Mukesh Vora. He's the chairman of Jito Dubai and Gulf Worldwide Dubai. So, a huge applause for sir, everyone. He's an inspirational personality, a wonderful leader, and today we are going to learn a lot from him. Thank you, sir.
So, Mukherjee Ora is chairman of the Gulf Distribution, one of the largest automotive company in Dubai. He is also the chairman of Gen International Trade Organization of Dubai. And very warm welcome to Mukherjee Ora, who has come to Nasik all the way from Dubai. Thank you, Mukherjee.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Good evening and Jai Jinendra to everyone. Good evening. Thank you very much for your inviting me as a guest of honor at this prestigious event, NEF 26 Nexus event. I am glad to understand that this event has been organized for last 16 years. And it was originally started by Sri Sanjay Ji Lodha and continuing for last 16 years. And this is the brainchild of Sri Sanjay Ji Lodha and Ajay Ji Bora. It is truly an honor and privilege for me to be present here today at one of the biggest entrepreneurial gathering for Nasik and regional development in the beautiful city of Nasik. This occasion is especially close to my heart because I have been invited by my dear friend, Sri Sanjay Ji Lodha, a visionary entrepreneur, an excellent organizer, and a person with whom I share a long-standing personal and professional association. I have traveled all the way from Dubai, and it is my great pleasure to be part of this remarkable event. Sri Sanjay Ji Lodha has been unique ability of conceptualizing and executing a large-scale entrepreneur platform with precision and passion. Many of you may know that he has also worked in Dubai and has been closely associated with international business forums. In fact, he played an important role in organizing one of the Jito International Summit in Dubai in 2017. I sincerely appreciate his dedication, competence, and leadership in bringing together such a powerful ecosystem of entrepreneurs here today. It is also my privilege to be in the august presence of chief guest, Sri Sanjay Ji Godawat, and to meet and interact with him, respected other dignitaries such as Sri Sanjay Ji Kathoria, Sri Parak, Sri Vinod Ji Dugad, and many other eminent leaders present here this evening. Friends, I would like to take this opportunity to warmly invite all the leading entrepreneurs and the dignitaries present here to visit Dubai, which has today emerged as one of the world's leading international business hub, a truly center of infinity growth. We shall extend all possible help to the Nasik visitors for this forum. You may kindly contact Sri Sanjay Ji Lodha for this. I'm also happy to see many Jito members here today, and I, as the chairman of Jito Dubai, extend my special invitation to all of you to join us in Dubai for the event between 13th and 15th of March 2026 for Dubai Center of Infinity Growth Summit 2026. This will be the largest international event in the Jito's history, bringing together global leaders, investors, policymakers, and entrepreneurs from across the world. Individual invitation to the Nasik Jito chairman, Vice Chairman, Secretary, as well as Journal Convener are being sent to your chapter. We are looking for a maximum participation from Nasik chapter. Mr. Sanjay Ji Loda has been appointed as a convener to invite all the members from Nasik chapter as well as from many other international chapters. Through this close acquaintance with them, I conclude. I once again extend my heartfelt appreciation and congratulations to Sanjay Ji Loda and his entire team for conceptualizing and executing such a grand and a meaningful event. I wish NEF 26 great success and look forward to seeing many of you soon in Dubai. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mukesh sir. So yes, it was an honor to listen to you, sir, and definitely many will be joining Dubai. So now, ऐसा कहते हैं अतिथि देवो भव, and it's time to felicitate sir. So I request Sanjay sir, I request Ajay Bora sir, I also request Dinesh Ji Dhoga sir, I request Mr. Dheeraj Picha sir, I request Mr. Ajay Kenahar sir, I request Mr. Ajit Surana sir and Abhay Tatir sir. I request all the dignitaries to please join us on dais for felicitating Mr. Mukesh Vora. So it's always an honor if someone comes from a long way to witness and to deliver for such events. So thank you so much once again, Mr. Mukesh Vora, sir, for joining us today and making this evening more special with your presence. Chaliए जोरदार तालियां everyone.